troubleshooting clicking noises from an LG dryer. LG dryers are designed to make little to no noise if used properly, but there are some factors that can cause the dryer to be noisy at times. We'll tell you how to reduce the amount of noise you hear coming from the unit. During the drying cycle, you may notice clicking noises coming from the dryer. This can be caused by metal in clothing, mainly zippers and buttons, hitting against the surface of the drum. Before drying these items, make sure to zip up and/or button loose clothing and turn them inside out. This will help protect the zippers and buttons and help reduce the clicking noises. Also, if you're drying items that have no zippers or buttons, the clicking noise might be from the regular operation of the electric relays in the dryer. This is completely normal and indicates that your dryer is working properly. Lastly, if you own an LG steam dryer that requires a physical external water supply, you may hear some noise from your water source as water flows through the pipes and enters the dryer's steam generator. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.